Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian, and today for our Valentine special, I'll be making 3 vegan desserts. One with Nescafe, another one with Kanafa Crust, and the third one with date and walnut. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for the cashew cream. You will need 3 cups of cashews soaked in water overnight, 1 cup of coconut milk, which you can substitute for almond milk or soy milk, half a cup of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, which I've just melted in the microwave, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. For the first crust, I've cut a third of a 454 gram Parfait packet, shredded dough, 1/4 cup of pistachios, 1 to 2 tablespoons of vegan butter, half a teaspoon of ground cardamom, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 9 grams of vanilla sugar. For the second crust, you will need 1 cup of walnuts, 6 medjool dates, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and half a teaspoon of ground cardamom. For your third crust, you'll need vanilla cookies, which are gluten and dairy free, and you can find them in the health food section in your supermarket. You'll also need half a teaspoon of ground cardamom, half a teaspoon of Nescafe coffee, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of vegan butter. And this is how your vegan desserts should look like. Enjoy them with your loved ones for Valentine's. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy Valentine's everyone!